Hello, welcome to Kaiju Tutorials. In 2019, Apple introduced SwiftUI, but it was missing one key feature, multiline support. Now it has corrected this with edit text. So we're going to get started with showing you how to create edit text. So first we need to create a bindable string, which will be needed to bind the text. So whatever information is typed inside of the text field, it is retrieved. Next, we're going to create a Vstack that we'll use to hold the edit text inside of the body. We're creating two spaces just to actually center the text field and align everything within the Vstack as centered. So to get the multiline feature, you just need to call TextEditor, which takes in a text and the bindable string. We have many options as well as resizing it and setting a specific size. So for doing that, we use frame, which takes width, height, and optionally takes alignment. You have other options such as border, which can take the color as well as the width of the border. Other options include font. So we're going to use font, which you can use many different options, as well as if you want to auto capitalize example sentences, you can do that as well, or even just words. And you can also set the keyboard type. So the keyboard type, example, if you only want text or numbers in there, you can set that, as well as the foreground color, which will influence the color of whatever shows up inside of the text field. So let's test it out, and it works. Please like and subscribe for the next SwiftUI video. Thank you.